Let's check out what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking car. 1966 Ford Fairlane 500, two-door fastback. Underneath the hood, 363 stroker roller engine, approximately 2,000 miles on it is all. And listen to this, dynoed, 528 horse, 467 pound-feet of torque. You'll be able to see a copy of the dyno sheet in the still pictures. Best of all, that 363 is paired up with a 5-speed Tremec. Tranny and clutch are new. Let's take a look at the front. Chrome in the bumper, bright work in the grille, headlight bezels. Take a look at that front end. Similar to a grabber orange, black hood stripes. Check out all the still pictures on this one. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, car from every angle. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see it's riding on American Racing 5-spoke wheels. Those are brand new Cooper Cobra radials. Those were put on in 2026. New disc brakes up front. Let's go ahead and take a peek down this passenger side. FYI, the brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. This car was recently restored as a winter project. And you can see paint shows well. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches. Black vinyl interior. Seat belts intact, front and rear. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around at the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. You can see those panels nice and straight from the rear to the front. How about the chrome in the rear bumper? Tail light bezels, everything looking good back here. This does have a 2.5-inch custom exhaust with MagnaFlow mufflers, headers. Ford 9-inch rear end is posi. 350 gear ratio. A few extra components will come with this. A couple tail light lenses with the backup lights. And then looks like we have the tie rod ends. Those will go along with the car. I mentioned those disc brakes up front. Those are new. It also has new A-arms on it. New tack when we get to the interior. Stewart Warner water temp and oil pressure gauge underneath the dash, also new. Has a new one-wire alternator. When we get underneath the hood, it's a Holley 4-barrel MSD ignition. I believe an Edelbrock intake manifold. We'll take a peek at that when we pop the hood. A couple notes from the technician that looked at it also. The headliners droop some, and I'll show you that here in the interior. Radio powers up, but I did not get any sound on it. Blower motor was in op, but the heater hoses are hooked up. Let's take a look down this driver's side, uniqueclassiccars.com. All the still pics. Tell you what, if you like these mid to late 64s, no matter what model, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right up our showroom floor. You can see, whoops, sorry about that focus, on some of these nice, bright, shiny orange and red. The camera wants to search, and I don't know if it's because of the reflection in the car, but it's always on the ones that are extremely glossy, shiny, just like this one. You can see no major dings, nicks, scratches up and down that driver's side. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. You can see the seating surfaces like new, front and rear. Again, seat belts intact, front and rear, door panel, great shape, carpeting like new. Should mention the headliner. Let's droop some. All right, there's the new tack mentioned, as well as Stewart Warner gauges underneath there. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Each time I've started it, you turn that key and it pops right over. See, the tack is working. Top of the dash, nice shape. You can see oil pressure as well as temp gauge. That was a cold start. Great throttle response and great sound. Door closes nicely. Like I said earlier, 528 horsepower, 467 pound-feet of torque. Take a look at the dyno sheet and still pictures. Good sounding car. Let's take a look at this engine bay. See, that is a gloss black on the hood stripes. Nice and clean underneath the hood. And here we go. So, aluminum radiator. Yeah, it looks like an air gap. RPM Edelbrock intake manifold. Power steering. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Wouldn't be afraid to display this car at a show with the hood open. Be a great one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I have a feeling this one might bring you home some trophies. Good looking 1966 Ford Fairlane 500. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1966 Ford Fairlane. Now this says Fairlane 500. It says 390 on the hood. It's a 5-speed manual B&M shifter with a Hurst logo on the shifter handle as well. This car is ready to go. Strong running car. Sounds great. Started up very nicely. Turn signal indicators working. Wow. Okay, yeah, I wasn't really ready for that. This car's quick. The front end wants to come up and the back end wants to break loose when you give her the throttle. Now don't get me wrong, it's easy to drive. I was putting my foot down pretty hard. The fuel gauge reads almost full, speedometer working. We're clock equipped right here. The radio powers up. A little bit of static, I haven't picked up a station, but it's powering up. We have an aftermarket tachometer that looks vintage attached to the column, and that's working as well. Under the dash, oil pressure reading a 45, and water temperature reading about 145 currently. Gauge is from SW. The wipers work on this car. Nice, mostly stock looking interior. Vinyl bench seat, front and rear, so you can bring your friends with you. We're going to second gear for the traffic circle. Power steering, very nice. It's easy to steer this car. It's one of those you might say you can steer with your pinky. Okay. Definitely burnt rubber in second gear. Fun car to drive. Really makes me want to do some donuts somewhere. Check out all the pictures of this 66 Ford Fairlane at uniqueclassiccars.com.